apparently everything I've recorded up until now, my mic was not set right. So you ain't going to hear anything on those clips, so I get to do it all again. So our the equipment that we own that we put on for this, they're in 3 different sites. We got our semis at Swinota, our box scraper, which is what I'm here to take over for, is we just went down on the other side of that pile. We're at East Dublin. This is the site that when I was going to college, we had to do an assignment on visiting a construction site. That's what I went for originally. So me and my college buddy Matt came here and saw this site when it was just dirt work and posts going up on the barn over there. And of course that was so long ago I don't remember what the size is, but I want to say it was like, yeah, I'm not going to say. Well, without finding out, I guess. But our 9520 is just rounding the corner right there. So I'm taking over for Sarge, is who's in there now, filling in. I'll just be here until daylight, and then Dad will come and take over for me. And Dad had an accident a couple years ago, so he can't work in the dark with all the shining lights like this. It's too hard on him, so his days usually end when the sun goes down, and he tends to start when the sun comes up. So that's why I'll be here until daybreak, and then I'm sure there'll be another issue or something that's going to come up, and then I got a doctor appointment, and then try to get some rest. It has every year, especially being on the morning crew here for the 2 a.m. shift. There is a point in the morning, and it's usually right before sunrise, is when everybody gets real silent, real tired. But boy, when that sun comes up, it is a beautiful sight. So on the pile here this morning, we got 2 dozer tractors, and then there's a packer tractor. It's just rounding, going over the pile way over there against the old. And then our 9520 is right there. He's pulling the box scraper. He just helps pack and just kind of smooths out the pile and makes it easier for the guys running the dozers to see where the holes are that need to be filled and help make the pile look pretty. So it's got to be shaped a certain way so that it sheds water. We don't have water pooling up anywhere on the pile, especially over winter. There's a mathematical formula of how much packing you need to have done for the tons, so it takes a lot of back and forth to get all the air out so all the silage ferments correctly to give them cattle that awesome cow chow they love. We've been doing this, I want to say it's been 14 years we've been, or this is year number 14, but yeah, I can't remember exactly. I haven't been doing it the full 14. I was at college, so I wasn't able to help, and then I got out of college and been doing this for a long time. Started out as a truck driver, and tried to dozing, building the pile. That just was a little too much, too quick for me. But I kind of got the gist of it. Then I ran Packer tractor. And then we got asked to put box scraper on our tractor, so then I box scrape. Then we've had that filled up and then able to, I've done pull tractor, I've helped scrape mud. Last year, half the season, I was running the chopper for our crew while Kirby was down at the State Fair. This year, with the crops being a little later, Kirby was able to be back in time to start with silage, so there I am filling in the other positions. So this is pretty normal for me for this time of year. Swapping around, putting out fires. Yeah. Welcome to Silage 2020. Hope you enjoy. Just like that, Dad came just before 6 o'clock, and the sun still ain't up yet, so couldn't get you the sunrise picture, but the fog has definitely rolled in. The guys driving the trucks Just coming down the dairy's driveway, that fog gets thick enough that you can't even see any of these lights. So all are keeping careful and taking it easy, but yeah, I'm done for now with this one, this job anyway. I think I'm gonna go home now. I'm pretty tired, so try squeezing a nap in. It's been a few hours. Got about an hour nap and then I had to go to the doctor's. It's just about 1 o'clock now. Sarge just left. He's gonna go take over for Dad and delivering some stuff up here to the shop and grab some gas cans and go make sure everything's still fueled up over at the other site and find something else to work on. Shouldn't be hard to do. Been a couple of days and the pile has grown. I think it's been 3 days since I last pictured this pile, so it's really gotten big. Now I gotta get some pictures for one run our box scraper on. Long story. Seems to be doing really good at it. Good job, Gary.
I was saying to myself, I should just get one of them little microphones so I could just listen to what I say while I'm in the tractor.
If they're heading up drivers, we'll be on the south side of the mile now. battery and my power stick is out of power.